Hello, and welcome back to Know Your Nodes. Just a second. Edit that. Know Your Nodes. With your host, Robert Syret. I'm actually not going to do phase modulation this time out, and I think I've learned my lesson. I'm not going to say what I'm going to do next at the end of every episode, because who actually knows? Also, you guys, I have the worst audio setup right now. I'm doing it just because it's the only thing I can make work. I have a audio interface that has the headphone output of my desktop being plugged into it, along with this microphone. I'm recording in Ableton while I capture the desktop in QuickTime. If anybody knows a better way to do that, like how you use OBS, link me a tutorial in the comments. I would just be ever so grateful. Anyway, I'm here to talk about something that I do that it was brought to my attention. It may be kind of confusing, but I do it so often it's like second nature. That is a quick expression. If you have a input, which to demonstrate I'll be using this output node, you just double click on that input, pink circle, and it opens up an expression that you're editing, and then it will create it. And that expression can just be a value, right? Or, and you don't have to even delete this. If you want to edit, you just double click this one again. It'll create a new node. It can be x plus 1. Or something more complex. ABS of 2 times pi times x plus sine of whatever. Oh. ABS, not ABX. There. And it will create whatever, and X, and all the other words that aren't in the library. So ABS, and sine, and E, and pi, and a laundry list of other things that are in the expression node, and you can't use those as variables. But if it's not in the library, it becomes a variable. Yeah, and that's basically it. I find this to be really handy if I have a node which requires me to input a value. So let's take a look at the good old oscillator node. We made our own oscillators last time, but this is the built-in oscillator. And it's actually fairly handy to use if you don't want to have a mixture of different waveforms. And it's very CPU efficient, so it doesn't use up much juice. But yeah, it uses a Hertz input. Suppose I want to make an LFO that was 0.33. It's a lot easier to double click on this input than to go to math, expression, edit, and then you get to the entering. And then connect it. So, one's obviously faster than the other. I guess that's it. It's a really short video. See you next time when I talk about something else.